Hi, I am Pushparaj. Some people believe that air conditioning is not good for health. So, what is the truth? The truth is air conditioning is good for health. It helps to regulate temperature, reduce humidity, and filter out airborne pollutants, creating a comfortable and healthier indoor environment. However, problems arise when AC systems are poorly managed. Incorrect design, faulty installation, and improper maintenance can lead to issues such as mold growth, poor air circulation, and increased risk of respiratory problems. So, remember, a well installed and maintained AC system doesn't just cool your space, it protects your health. Molten excellence in every breath.